To grow sunflowers in a pot, first get some dwarf sunflower seeds. Dwarf sunflowers grow well in pots since they don't get over 4 feet, 1.2 meters tall. Fill a 16 by 18 inch, 40 by 45 centimeter pot with topsoil that has a pH between 6 and 7. Mix a handful of compost into the soil to help your sunflowers grow faster. Then push the seeds 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters beneath the surface of the soil, with at least 4 inches, 10 centimeters between each seed. Place the pot in an indoor or outdoor spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight every day. Water the seeds every day to keep the soil moist. Your sunflowers should bloom in about 12 weeks.